ID.
Hi, welcome to Richard's channel. Subscribe ASAP. Wanna delete your card mobile account.
Okay, so what's up, guys? Today I'll be vlogging, and you'll see lah what's gonna happen today. Why you took the lights there? I'm too black now. Yo, say hi to the vlog.
Hi to the vlog.
don't know.
Why I say
Not
hi to the
yet.
vlog?
Can you connect for me or not?
Day.
Don't call me.
What is this day? Beer bottle.
Day. That came only like, man.
No, I never asked to say
Day. Chotati can. Big two can. What's the one more game?
He
Race
raised
down
it.
lah.
Race can.
Normal me. Don't worry. I'm doing normal.
So
See,
guys, as you all can see, all sit in the phone ready.
who's the first one?
All playing game ready. One guy over there. He got his new phone some more. So yeah, hi day.
You know, the what? The down thing they got two down thing. 100 bullets. What? 100 bullet gun. The 100 bullet gun.
Why?
Okay, current subscribe and like like a Bakar Wawa. Peace out.
The Indian look. The
Hey,
Indian
peace
style.
out now. Why you still recording?
The Indian style. Hey, style. Indians. They give me the Indian look, day. Come on, day.
Wow, that's like actually the simplest book you have.
Vishal is here. They ask him to not come, right? Why he coming
Hey,
there?
why you coming?
Hey, you call me. You tell what?
You mean living umbrella? Yo. Just walking is casual.
பாத்தியே வலிக்கு விழுந்துற போற.
See, I saw. Okay, wait. That's too easy.
Maya.
One.
Maya.
Hey, ciao. Hey,
I cannot do one.
One is how many, son?
One is I think 5.
Here.
Yeah.
Oh, dude, what's this?
Wait, what's it? Wait.
Oh, dude. I think one break something.
Why are you doing that?
That's all only can get.
Don't break it.
Eh, you just see lah. Hey, move. I try. Okay. Okay, what must do?
Richard,
They don't know answer me. Double it.
what are you doing? I cannot do anything. Not this how
I think he rather carry the sushi itself.
Move this. Don't move this.
Dude, see the camera.
Yeah. It's like pulling a dumbbell.
Yeah, okay. Oh, day, your mother going to think someone drinking also. Day, before you see his pants.
They don't shake the pants. They think that's enough.
They think they know the instructions.
Why? Day, wait.
Day,
So
day.
fast ah.
Day, his phone waterproof already.
Day.
No.
My phone not waterproof, day.
No. Day, latest model, right?
தெரிஞ்சு ஆமா
Yeah. Day, yeah.
yeah.
Come there, you put that ready, right?
Yeah.
That's Imaya's butt, guys. As you guys can see. See, he's blowing the balloon. Imaya, Vijay. Imaya, Vijay. Imaya, Vijay.
How about you help yourself?
This is like literally my first Instagram story, and it's not that good.
Look at that two, they two very curious to play water balloon.
Look how he looks like.
Yeah, I know. Dude,
Bro, I literally took it like 3 seconds before it threw it.
What's up?
Some camera things going on here. Recordings of India, as you can see.
Recordings of India.
Ah, what? China. Let me come. Okay. Einstein bros. They're going to do.
Wait. Go back. I need to get a proper clip. Go back. I need to get a proper clip.
Don't leave the water. The camera is here.
Hey, your phone waterproof. IP67
Dude,
rating.
not everything okay. It's like just water resistant, like splash like that.
Hey, one more photo you're going to post. Like photo. Come here. Hey, Paranda, it's not waterproof that day. Jaga.
Wait,
How are you holding that?
guys.
You look so wrong.
Okay, look over there lah.
Hey, shit, this guy already promoting my phone again.
Okay lah, wait. Okay. So as you guys can see, this
Okay,
phone-
that's all. Thanks.
That phone was his first phone, and then after that he got a new phone. Okay, not bad version. Improvement nada banyak lah.
Saya kasih you tembak baru tahu lah dia. Dey, என்னடா கட்ட முடியுது? நீ என்னடா பண்ணுவ இது? Dey, what you recording?
They move, they don't show your butt lah, they. Look at them. How cute they are.
Right, brother. I know why it.
They all very curious, they. Damn, Rajin.
Done. Throw. You throw lah.
They why want to throw? They don't waste, they.
Okay.
My old house, we all whack Maya nicely in the book and right.
Okay.
So how about simply we just
I think we're too loud. He's
water
hearing
ball.
us.
We use water. That fellow is curious as hell. He's doing some nonsense with the balloon. So
Let
how about
me
we use
banana
the balloons and whack him up nicely?
Okay, I have a question here.
So let's go.
Dey, wait. Dey, wait. எனக்கு ஒரு கேள்வி இருக்கு. வாமிட்டிங் வர.
வந்துட்டு இந்த விஜய் முன்னாடி எல்லாம் இம்மாயா சாப்பிடுவாங்க கடைசியில் அதில் இம்மாயா
How about we continue season 2 with back Imaya again? So it's like a prank after.
They, don't. Come on. Tell hi to the vlog.
Hi to the vlog. Hi to the vlog.
They stupid. They now a bus also. They what kind of balloon like you all bought? இல்லடா டேய்
இங்க வரைக்கும் விடிங்க.
அதான்.
கீழ விழுந்தாண்டே விடிச்சு. என்னடா தப்பா பண்ணுது?
Look at that guy, what he doing?
Hey Maya, one more time for the vlog.
No, look at that guy. See that guy. What guy lah, dey?
Hey, Vijay paying water bill this.
சரி வர. இது வாட்டர் மேன்.
Now the time's going to be 5, I guess. So now we're going to fill up water in the balloon. So you can see there.
Maya and Vijay, anything for the
Both
vlog?
of them filling up water in the balloon.
Subscribe.
Okay.
Subscribe.
Okay, give back. So after that all finished, so we'll play and maybe I'll be vlogging at that time. So you guys enjoy lah. Okay. Ciao. Okay, so guys, hey, come here. Okay. Okay, so now we are already going to finish everything. Hey, don't they come on, hey.
You know there are bounds, like
Don't they? We wasted 3 days. What the hell you doing? Come here. What last one for what? Hey, don't the ball coming here. Hey, don't.
சட்டை கட்டணுமா?
So finally, after 2 million years, we have the balloons.
Yay! Balloon! Why are you feeling that in the hotel?
Why are we feeling this?
I don't understand. Yeah.
You look better. If you all don't understand it, that means
Don't.
Wait.
Keep it back. I know you want to throw to someone.
Looking at him. Yeah, I'm already wet.
Yep.
If you're still not happy, means
Water
I don't know
gun
what to
now.
say.
You know who else?
Rules all right.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Only that.
Yeah, I didn't throw it.
Only that. Why they India thinks they explain again they. Yeah.
Not for me.
You and Ujay, right?
Yeah.
Okay. You and okay, Varshan is.
Oh what? Oh I knew only.
Yeah.
For some reason, I feel like I'm gonna. They know one by one step.
Okay, now you carry on my vlog. So Imai is going to carry on my vlog.
Okay. No problem.
Wait, you can do this and throw down there.
Wait, pass it lah. It's just one step.
Like this one.
Hey, good man.
Okay, then. Okay, try it. Okay. Go one by one.
Okay, now
After
me,
you finish one, let go.
This is too easy. Okay.
Easy, too easy.
Shit, I'm gonna squeeze up.
Okay.
Tokyo did.
Okay, go behind the wall.
Okay.
Don't try some trick shot on.
Sad life.
So considered like Russian color.
Yeah. Vishal.
The winner of round 1 is me.
Wait, what time with me?
Let's go. No, it's me.
Oh, okay.
Okay, it's me. So let's move on to round 2.
No. You have.
So guys, we are in round 2 now. And Ujay is the winner.
You don't need to throw
What kind of
shit? Fast, right? Look at. Dumb bloody.
Why day? What the hell day?
Okay,
Why day?
I want to try.
That's
Let's try. I mean, like, Varshan, come, you and me. Hey, no.
No. Throw up. Who catch win? Hey, that's really unfair.
Okay. I know. Show the camera.
So what? Throw up. It's not own catch, but. Okay, Whoa! Wait, I don't. What the hell?
I took 3.
No. Oh no! Shit!
He caught it correctly.
Last one, wait.
They come, he said, camera.
Oh! Wait, what on it? I caught it. Oh my god. Yeah,
So who's the winner, lah?
Yeah, you were first in the Russian one day. But really? You were wait. Okay, if I get sick. Oh!
Run.
A few moments later.
What the hell happened here? Oh my god, what the... I'm funny. I know what I'm doing. Oh! Hey, never come on a second. What happened? Let's go. Yes, I'm don't use my clothes. That's okay. After 2 years I have it. After 2 years I having it. You know when? First time. Adidas sponsor me. I need a new shirt. Adidas sponsor me.
Artificial intelligence. Nearer. Okay, nearer. Not that near. I told Akka near.
Assalamualaikum.
Salam sejahtera.
Wassalamualaikum.
Apa mau? Hah? Apa mau?
Sonde. Apa?
I'll freeze them.
Hey, don't target my phone, please. Balik lah.
You're getting wet.
Squat down a bit. Put my hand in. What are you doing?
Target locked.
Hey, call you back later, day. Hey, call you back. Okay, bye.
See, very hard to carry, right? I told you. Never listen.
ಸಿಂಜೋನ್ಗೆ
So what is up, guys? Hi Vijay. So we just finished. What's up, Vishal? What's up, Maya? Why half naked? Hey, you wear baju already. Hey, not bad lah. You might have wear baju already. Maya, okay, introduce yourself to my viewers.
Okay, my name is Emil. I'm Richard's friend.
Okay, guys. So now we are going to take shower.
Richard, I'm having a headache.
Okay.
He's not the only one.
Okay. Yeah, hello Ashen. Mandi ready or not? Okay. So, yeah. So later, okay. Now we're going to mandi. So after we mandi, we vlog back lah. Okay. Peace out. What's up? Okay. I don't know why that guy. Okay.
I was blind.
Okay. Okay, guys. So now we're gonna do barbecue, something. What Q is that? Q. And it's some Q we're gonna do now.
Something ends with Q.
Okay, something end with Q now. So we're gonna do that thing.
Oh, I thought so.
So yeah. Bye bye. Hi Vashan.
I hate that.
Why do you need such a hardcore case for your tab?
D, I don't know, D. That guy flexing, D. Flexing tag. They flex. Come on, D. Flex, D. Come on. Flex.
Oh yeah! Hey, drop it now. I want to see whether it breaks or not.
Dude, you just dropped it. D. Drop again.
Yeah.
Drop again. Drop test. D, drop test. Drop. D, please. Come on, D.
That's the first time since I dropped it ever since I bought it.
Okay, guys. We just at
He just brought that
our
one.
BBQ stuffs and this guy is busy drinking alcohol, I guess. So
Yeah, I'm
yeah.
not drinking.
So yeah, I think so. This is the end of the vlog, I guess. So see you guys soon. Bye bye.
D, hello. Okay. Stop. That one I must tell. Okay, you don't need to say more. Okay. No. I just you tell. Just carry on my vlog. Okay, not to like end up like you know.
So I think so. Richard,
It is me, bro. Why?
I think so. Your time's up. I think so. We have to end everything, I guess. So
I hope this vlog is interesting for them.
yeah.
You know, yeah.
I know
Because it's
like the first
because
generation.
the first vlog is like not very fluent. I think. So this one is like my first talking vlog.
No wireless.
So I hope they love it.
You want to port the
guys.
charging wireless.
See you back on my next video.
Yeah.
Hope you guys like and subscribe. Bye bye.
Ciao.